Dear student, today we will discuss about supervised learning. This topic is very important for engineering students. If you have not subscribed, then press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm in which the model is trained on labeled data to learn a mapping between input features and output labels. The goal of supervised learning is to build a model that can accurately predict the output labels for new, unseen data. There are many types of supervised learning algorithms, but some of the most common ones include linear regression. A linear regression algorithm tries to find the best line that fits the given data points. Logistic regression. A logistic regression algorithm is used when the output variable is categorical, i.e., binary or multi-class. Decision trees. A decision tree algorithm is a tree-like model that makes decisions based on the input features and outputs a categorical or numerical value. Random forests. A random forest algorithm is an ensemble method that combines multiple decision trees to improve the model's accuracy. Support vector machines, SVMs. An SVM algorithm tries to find the hyperplane that maximally separates the data points of different classes. Neural networks. A neural network algorithm is a deep learning model that uses multiple layers of neurons to learn complex patterns in the data. These algorithms can be used for a wide range of tasks, including classification, regression, and prediction. The choice of algorithm depends on the nature of the problem, the size and complexity of the data, and the performance metrics of interest. The goal of supervised learning is to build a model that can accurately predict the output for new, unseen input data. There are several types of supervised learning algorithms, including regression. This algorithm is used to predict a continuous output, such as a numerical value. Classification. This algorithm is used to predict a categorical output, such as a binary classification, e.g., yes or no, or a multi-class classification, e.g., classifying images into different categories. Decision trees. This algorithm uses a tree-like structure to make decisions based on the input features. Random forests. This algorithm is an ensemble of decision trees that combines multiple decision trees to improve the accuracy of the predictions. Support vector machines. This algorithm uses a hyperplane to separate the data into different classes. Neural networks. This algorithm is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain and consists of multiple layers of interconnected nodes. There are many other supervised learning algorithms, and the choice of algorithm depends on the problem at hand and the type of data being used. Dear students, also comment us in which topic do you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.